Hi, this is Deborah Winsong with Expert Village. In this segment I'll show you some earrings, and I usually work with a standard ear wire which has a little loop on the bottom of it, and then from there I can get creative. What I like to do is to take more wire and cut it and shape it and put beads on it from there. You could use your head pins, which we discussed in a previous segment, and that's a piece of wire that has a little head like on the head of a pin, so that you can just stack your beads on that and then bend the top to connect it to the little loop underneath the ear wire. The tricky part to doing beaded wiring is that you'll want to put your beads on your wire first after you figure out what the right size is for those particular beads, and then gently shape the wire with the beads on them, being careful not to break some of the more fragile gemstone beads. Another thing you can do with the ear wire is to hang down from the bottom loops the flexible wire, and you can bead that and then put a bottom bead on it and use a crimp to hold that bottom bead.